Good morning, students. Yesterday, I shared with you the slogan given by parties when election will be there. On that time, every party given a slogan. Okay, like for example, अच्छे दिन आएंगे, मोदी सरकार अब की बार. These type of. Okay. And now we are going to read about what rule and regulation followed by a party during election. Okay, according to our election law, no party or candidate can bribe or threaten voters. कि give them some give them some money and mobiles and other thing, and threaten voters that you give us vote only, not other party. Okay, no one do that. And appeal to them in the name of caste or religion. कि no one can appeal to them that you give a particular caste, you give your vote to a particular caste. Okay, use government resources for election campaign. कि if your ruling government is still there, okay, and they are not use the government vehicles, government resource for election campaign, कि on that time all are working under your election commission. No minister can use the government vehicle and also lay down the foundation of anything. Okay, lay down the foundation in anything we are going to in code of conduct we are going to only they have said to us कि use the government resource. Okay, and spend money. Earlier I discussed with you, I said to you, tell to you, 10 lakh rupee spent in the constituency, legislative assembly in your state. One party give 10 rupee for a particular candidate to spend the money in their own constituency. Okay, and 25 lakh rupee in Lok Sabha election. Lok Sabha election mean कि Lok Sabha, those who are going to fight the election for Lok Sabha, they can spend the 25 lakh rupees provided by the political parties. Those candidate is there. Okay, and if do so, their election can be rejected if the candidate use these type of disobey the condition, term and condition implemented by the election commission. If they are doing so, they can be rejected by the court even after they have been declared elected. If they found in such activity, they will be rejected by the court. कोर्ट सस्पेंड कर देगी, उनको नहीं एक्सेप्ट करेगी. नेवर दे एक्सेप्ट कि यू आर डूइंग सच एक्टिविटी ड्यूरिंग इलेक्शन एंड यू आर नॉट एबल. ओके, in addition, the law, all political parties in our country have agreed to a model code of conduct. And what is code of conduct? कि no party candidate can use any place of worship for election propaganda. कि you have seen if there will be a marriage function or in Navratras are there, on that time they are going to worship the god, worship your devotees, but on that time they are not going to give any speech to the people. Okay, next one, use government vehicle, aircraft and officials are for election. कि no one can use these things in the during election. कि once election are announced, ministers shall not be laid on. कि no minister, ruling government minister shall not lead on the foundation of any stuff of any project, take any big policy, never they do, or make any promises of providing public facility. कि these type of promise they are not done with to the people, said to the people कि if I am coming won the election, I will do such activity to you. कि no one can this type of promises given to the people. And polling and counting of voters. कि final stage of an election is day when the voters cast or poll their vote. This day is called a polling day. And the day is usually called election day, sorry, not polling day, election day is there. कि on that time voters go and cast their vote. Every person whose name in the voter list, only they are eligible to go in the polling booth. In your areas, maybe in government schools, they set up the polling booth there. Okay, and no, your local schools and government office always set up for the polling booth. And without if we are not a voter, then we are not dare to enter these campus. कि once the voter go inside the booth, the election official identify her, put a mark on her finger and allow her to cast her vote. And an agent of each candidate, whether your Congress party, BJP party, Samajwadi party, BSP party, Aam party, all agent of these party can sit outside or inside the polling booth. Okay, inside the room they sitting there to find out कि these candidates are their own areas, on ward or not. Okay, election are the election too expensive for our country? Yes, election are too much expensive for our country. And if we are going to conduct election again and again, and this one is a very drawbacks of on our country, because we have spent a lot of money for elections. Okay, up to here you revise this content. Okay, read thoroughly and prepare yourself for a coming test also. Okay, thank you beta.